Girl, what are you doing?
I was feeling a little short. I'm trying to get taller.
Come with me. Okay, if you want to get taller, first, go grab a pillow.
You're insecure, don't know what for.
Yes, girl, perfect. Now get a blanket.
It's when you walk through
Perfect.
the door, don't need
Okay, now close your eyes and keep dreaming. Can you believe this girl trying to hang from the stairs thinking she's gonna get taller?
Goes again.